It's Rachel Devine with Yoga Divina, and today we're going to play with my balls. Actually, we're going to play with one. We're going to play with one of my many balls that I enjoy playing with because the difference between using a ball or weights is that it's just because it's round and we're fluid and we're round and we're soft and I'm round and I'm soft, and so I can totally relate to the ball versus a weight, which is kind of like just heavy weight. So if you have a ball, this is not a very big one. This is whatever, one of the smallest ones. Might be because it's not. Yeah, it's a small. It might be because it's not. Hello. I did not turn you off, Karen. Yes, hold on. One moment, please. Hold on. How did I not turn this off? Vibrate. Hold on. But you notice my shoulders haven't moved, right? Yeah. It's Dee Dee. I mean, Diego. So, okay. Let's see. So what was the last thing I said?
You were talking about balls and
yeah.
being fluid.
Oh, so balls. This is a small one. Might be just because it's not inflated, but it doesn't have to be one of the big ones. And we're going to work on our shoulders today, okay? Our shoulders are this area here. This is my shoulder. This is my arm. Does that make sense? This is my arm. This is my shoulder. So watch first, because I don't want you doing this while you're watching, because your head will be twisted and I need you to face straight up towards the sky. So you're going to hold on to the ball with your fingertips so that maybe you can bounce the ball around. You're not stressing it out. The ball doesn't weigh very much, maybe a pound or so. And you're going to start to press into the back of your head, and you're going to inhale, push the ball up towards the sky. I've got pressure in the back of my head. My shoulders are off the floor. And then I'm going to exhale. I'm going to pull my shoulders down my back and then back to the floor. Did you see that? Right? So I'm going to inhale, reach up as high as I can. Okay? And then I'm going to exhale, shoulders go down my back and back towards the floor. One more time. Inhale again. Right? You see that nice movement? I'm not doing this up here. You don't get the right range of motion. I'm staying nice and open. And then I'm going to exhale, shoulder down. Ooh, how's that feel? Oh my God, that feels so good. Seriously, that feels so good. Okay, next. So now that we got that, we're going to inhale here. Take your arms all the way up, right? Exhale, keep your shoulders here, but you're going to start to take the ball over your head. Woo! Inhale, come onto your fingertips right here. Shoulders stay on the floor. Exhale, switch it over. Your ball is nice and soft in your hands. Inhale here. Okay, the breath. Does it matter which way I go? Not really, because I could inhale here. Exhale here. Oh my God, that feels so good, by the way. You should do it that way. So inhale here. Oh my God, so my shoulders are going down my back. It feels so good. And then exhale. You know that space? Oh my goodness, right behind your shoulder blade that like sings? That's exactly what I'm feeling. Inhale here. And go slower. Go way slower. Quit it. Exhale. Woo! Oh my God, that was so great. Did you notice I didn't move any other parts of my body? Nothing. It was just my arms, right? There was no other parts of me, right? If I did and I'm talking smack, that's one thing, but I don't think so because I've been practicing. So practice that, right? That's one of the things that we can do today. Oh my God, that feels so good. Boom. Wait. So, okay. And this is where I edit it out. Ding, 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 ding. Cut. Cut. Oh, I look horrible. I hate my hair. It's so short. Oh, I didn't stop recording. It's 4:20. I gotta stop recording. Look at my hair. It's all big and fluffy.